In today's video, I will teach you how to create a flowchart quickly and easily using PicMonkey. Let's get started. To create an eye-catching flowchart in PicMonkey, you can either start from scratch or use a template. To start from scratch, go to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image option, and select Blank Canvas. This will open up PicMonkey's Canvas presets library, which contains a wide variety of canvas-sized presets for every social media posts and prints. You can also input your custom width and height at the upper right corner of the panel if you have a specific size in mind. Now, simply click the Make It button to open your custom canvas in the editor. But if you would like to start with a template to make designing easier for you, simply go back to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image option, and select Templates. This will open the Templates panel in the editor itself. PicMonkey has a wide variety of template designs, but to narrow down your choices, feel free to type in the keyword flowchart on the search bar to find the perfect template for your design. You can use PicMonkey's easy-to-use design tools, graphics, images, and text to make an eye-catching flowchart. To start, you can change the background of your template or canvas. If you're starting from scratch, simply select the background layer on the Layers panel. And if you're starting with a template, go to the Layers panel, select the background image that you wish to replace, and press the Delete key on your keyboard. Now, go to the sidebar, and here you have the option to change your background into a solid color, a gradient, add textures, use PicMonkey's free stock images, or upload your own background image. Now, to add text, go to the sidebar and open the Text tab. PicMonkey has Pro Fonts library filled with every font style that you can think of, from sans serif to handwriting, and from script to monospaced fonts. To add graphics to your flowchart, go to the sidebar and select Graphics. This will open PicMonkey's extensive graphics library with completely free and customizable icons, illustrations, and shapes that are neatly categorized by style. If you would like to find something more specific, you can simply type in the keyword on the search bar. In making a flowchart, make sure to keep your diagram concise and use different colors to highlight certain text and headers. And lastly, make sure that your design can be read from a reasonable distance. And once you're done, you can now save the image to your computer or share it to your social media. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.